to start somewhere. Speed defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. Knowing is not enough. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. The man who beat me is nothing for you. Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Enemy missing.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. Everybody has to start somewhere. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Everybody has to start somewhere.
First blood. You have slain an enemy. Backup white.
Darkness.
Patay. Kaming dalawa patay. Siguro ko lang kayo mayroon na talaga happy
In
tigas.
the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Siguro ko lang kayo mayroon na tigas.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Knowing is is not enough. We must apply.
Mine turn now.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Everybody has to start somewhere. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Slain an enemy.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Yan yung totoong combo. Yan yung piniti basta ginamit ko na yung CC.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nalo ko yung kamilong ko.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Ako yun ako. Squid ko yung nakapatay.
The man who can beat me has not been born. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
So, abangan natin.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Hindi na
Our turret is under attack.
lungkot. Lungkot. Kecil-kecil sama sayang.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Everybody has to start somewhere. He is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. That's the word. Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Dahil.
The man who can beat me is not this.
Turret is under attack.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines a winner. Everybody has to start somewhere. I could not
Our
see
turret
anything.
has been destroyed.
Darkness.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Suko muna tayo. Magi? Magi ra? Magi ra ba? Magi ra ba? Nana lang. Nana lang. So guys, pikat. Oo. Aray, noo. Tikman mo na guys.
Domicilian.
Wow, ganda. What is this? Lazada. Sige, recall ba yung ay. Sige, recall ba yung mayarang ko talaga titigad sa palatan ng boto sa betaw. Ang hahamon sa kanya. Ako na ang maghahamon sa kanya. Now. Dahil itong cellphone ko ay sobrang taas na ng game, kaya lag. Ano naman ko yun. So, pasensya din guys dahil hindi mo makikita yung kanilang skin. Sige, di ko alam yung mayabang ka talaga, titigas. Kung kami, mag 1v1 kaming rage. Yung 9. Raichu, I said don't do that. Selena, may tanga dito guys, promise. Chicks niya si Kagura. Uy, ayap. Dahil, uy, tanga. Tanga. Uy, ano to? Dugo. Ay. Oo. Nakuha na. Nadinad to. Sige, recall laban yung mayabang ka talaga. Pipigas ka. Pilipino, uy, Amerikano, Pilipino, Amerikano. Dito may isang Amerikano. Ayan na itong flag. Spider-Man. Dito may dalawang, uy, Naging nag-iiba, naging American. Philippines, American. Ano? Hindi ko alam. Tanggal. Uy. Malulubat yung cellphone mo. Choco. Choco milk. Oh. Sige, recall ba yung... Ay. Sige, recall ba yung mayabang talaga pipigads ka pala. Sige, rekalan. Look, was Philippines was queen was queen. Ewan ko. Philippines was queen. Oh. Tagal. Sige, di ko daw. Tagal. Ano na lang, anong kailangan kong gawin? Magdanlanlag ako. Sige, recall na ba yung mayabang ka talaga? Doy today. Hey, Doy. Ano gusto ko dandan? Chocolate Hills. Enemy school, Parkour daw. Enemy school parkour. Diba ko may ganito na ako. Tawag lang dun sa Quora. Bakit ito? Parker. Parkour. Parker. Which... Ay, di ko dyan go. Ito guys, bago. Karunong ako nito. Granny, hindi ako marunong. Hindi nga ako maka-escape. May Spider-Man Granny house. So, laro muna tayo Roblox. Yo, what happened to the lip? What happened? So let's gonna charge that one. Oh, my friend. Oh, what? Not what? What the fuck? No master and shed. Why are you always change skin? Oh shit. But no, do not play that. Oh shit. I don't gonna watch that. Do not play this games on Roblox. Oh shit. Oh, mama boy. I don't want to go up this way. Roblox mega easy daw. All of our... ito. Gusto ko to. So, naglalaroin natin weekly. The surprise attack. Did it work? Not make. Oh, why I have a arrow? There a man play this one? Oh, I gonna play? Oh shit. Oh. Well, go for... Why? What? The zombie apocalypse. Oh shit. Run! Oh shit. But oh shit. There are so many oh no, I'm dead again. I don't want to play. Oh no. I want to play Siren Head. No bullshit. All of that. Venom versus Spider-Man. Spider-Man City. Be a giant. Oh no, I didn't do it again. Alright. Oh, my charger. Oh. Shit. This is so scary. Oh, IKEA. Ano? Demon Slayer? Nob Warfare. Call of Prison. But survive PC play. Survive the Shilhaikan. Oh. How many people playing? Oh, shit. Oh, I don't want to play with them. Money Kai Kai, oi. What are you playing? Jack, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Wow, he's so very cool. But me, I can't change my avatar, even my clothes. Like that. This is beautiful. I think this is not nice. I gonna go this one. I change my hair. But this nice, yeah. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Well, this is good because I'm a rich. Okay. Wow, nice skin. Oh, I am a skin man. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. I see it. Oh, a ninja training. I go to the play. Running it. Oh, this is my game. I go on the play. Running it. Oh, you're running head. Oh, what? Tatsumaki. My game. Oh, the balance. Oh, oh my. Oh, oh. So, we, you can catch me. Oh, why is jump? There. Banana peel. Mass. Wings. I want this one mass. Oh. What? Oh. Why is that thing like weird? Oh. Here we go. Hey, Yori. Yori. Hey, bro. You are my son. I am your son. Oh, Mama boy. No. You're going to die. Bye. Oh, I'm dying. I'm telling you. Oh, I hear it's. Yeah. I go to the boss. I don't want to play with him. I want to play this one. Grandma. Look at me now. This game. So